Alright, so what you're looking at here is this 42-inch SMC bottom spinner ceiling fan, and it is dated of November of 1990, which, gee, this fan is probably, or maybe old as me, or maybe younger, I don't know. Just depends on the actual date it's made, but it just said of November of 1990. And I'll show you a close up. And yes, it's pink. And this is the type of fan you don't really see me get when it comes to a pink ceiling fan, because I'm not really a big fan of pink fans. But got this from Habitat for $10. And when I looked at it, and I looked at the year, I figured, what the hell? I might as well get it. And I did. I mean, I added it came with a Schoolhouse mushroom globe. There's the motor and the switch housing, which you normally see on a later Laguna. There's the canopy, which is that's the same thing too. And it's got a really small ball socket too for that. And there's the blade bracket. And then there's the stencil. And these blades are not original to this fan. I have the original pink blades, which are down over here. 4 sets. There's no stencil, and those blades just plain pink on both sides. And the reason why I'm not mounting it onto this fan, because one of the blades are very unbalanced, which they're slanted like that, and I don't really want to put them on just to make it wobble too much. I mean, if you want to see it wobble, then feel free to comment, I guess. But anyway, we'll go ahead and turn the light on. Or I'll go ahead and turn the light on, sorry. Alright. I'm going to leave it on, and let's see what it does starting on low. You can actually feel some little air coming from low. Okay. And here's medium. It's actually picking up some air on medium, which I can feel it over here. Alright. Now let's see what it does on high speed. I'll tell you what, for a 42-inch SMC spinner, this fan cranks out a lot of air. I mean, a good decent amount of air. I mean, I really don't know if these are powerful than the Hampton Bay ones, but I'm starting to like how fast it goes, and it's not a bad fan. I'll show you the air movement. Oops, sorry. So yeah, you can feel a lot of air coming from it. I could say that she flies, but it's not extremely powerful. But it does crank out a lot of air, as I said it before. Okay. Now, time to power off. Watch the spin down. And there you have it. Here's your 42-inch SMC bottom spinner ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.